Hey Kim, today we're going to do some drawings and prove to people that it pays to open those emails.
Remember the early bird? We have 4 $100 gift cards we're giving away today. Amazon and Visa. Let's do the drawing.
All right. Okay, so the first winner of an Amazon $100 gift card is Omaha Board of Realtors, Monica Lang. Congratulations,
Good job,
Monica.
And go ahead.
And the other Amazon gift card for $100 goes to Omaha Board of Realtors again, Donna Stevens. Congratulations.
All right, and the visas go to Alan Strong, Omaha Board. Good job, Omaha Board. You were opening those emails. And Brett Harris with RAL. Congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations.